This is required, not that education. Bhaktanam abhijanati, Krishna said, not by passing MA, PhD. Bhakta, simply by bhakti. Bhaktanam abhijanati javan jaschami tattva. And bhakta, the practical example, if you become pure bhakta, then you'll forget all this material sense enjoyment. Bhakti parishanubhava virakti annatra sya. This is the taste of bhakti. That if you have got taste for material enjoyment, and at the same time you advertise yourself that you have become a bhakta, that is not bhakta. One who knows who is a bhakta immediately detects that here is not a bhakta. A dharmadhaji, he has got the tilak and kanthi simply for advertisement. He is not a bhakta because he has got material taste.